everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, We Diamond Paint. Today I'm really excited. I have a special bonus for you guys. Not only are we going to be creating the letter B today, but I also made you guys a special pattern for a heart. So we'll be doing that after we complete the letter B. If this is your first time here, please make sure that you go back and you watch the video for letter A because it gives you the supplies list and also shows you how to do the cheat sheets in the notebook. For those of you that you're back again with me, welcome back. So let's get started. The first thing that you guys are going to do is you're going to get your little notebook out, your cheat sheet out, go grab a cup of coffee, a drink or something, and we'll get going on this. So one of the things that I forgot to tell you guys last time, and I'm really sorry about, is that these are using round drills. I know I told you guys to buy the circle grid paper, but I failed to say that this is actually using the round diamond drills. They're also 1.5 inches wide by 1.5 inches tall. I did forget that, but you know, it was my first YouTube video and you forget things. So, alright guys, so you're going to write letter B at the top of your notebook and you are going to write the frame again and make a square. And at the top and bottom, put 13, and then on both the sides, you will do 14 drills, and this is dark drills. It's going to look like this. That's your first step. Then you're going to go around, and your next step is going to be taking the light diamond drills, and you're going to make another frame inside that frame, which is going to look like that. So now go to your columns, and we're going to be starting with row 3. And row 3 is 8 dark and 1 light. So I am going to put down 8 dark. And 1 light. And now to row 4. Row 4 is 1 light, 2 dark, 3 light, and 3 dark. Oh. 1 light, 2 dark, 3 light, and 3 dark. This is a really pretty color. I don't know what color this is considered. It's almost like a cross between a purple and a pink. Okay. So now we're going to move on to row 5, and you guys are going to do 1 light, 2 dark, 4 light, and 2 dark. I did order supplies on Amazon for these, the sheets and also the self-adhesive, the grid paper and the self-adhesive magnet sheets. And I am going to be doing an unboxing video. I just wanted to let you guys know that we're not only going to be creating stuff that you guys can make on this channel with your extra diamond drills, but we're also going to be doing unboxings and tip videos and storage videos and stuff like that. And I thought it would be cool to actually show you guys how these supplies come for these. So I should have them in a couple of days and then I will tape a video. So moving on, we're going to go to row 6, and row 6 is 1 light, 2 dark, 3 light, and 3 dark. Did I mess up already? I did 1 light, 2 dark, 3 light. Sorry guys, I lost track of where I was. Yeah, okay. Oh, I hate it when that happens and you lose your spot. Okay, so now we're going to move on to row 7. And it is 1 light, 6 dark, and 2 light. 6 dark, and 2 light. And I am so crooked, and I just gotta push them back up. I love this grid paper because everything just moves so nicely, and the little circles show you where you have to be. And it's very, very sticky paper too, by the way, guys. Okay, now we're going to move on to row 8, and it is going to be 1 light, 2 dark, 3 light, and 3 dark. 3 light, oh, and 3 dark. Sorry, I'm really trying to keep this as neat as I possibly can, and I'm a little bit crooked in one row, so I'm trying to straighten it out. Sometimes I can control the multi-placer so well, and then other times not so much. So we are on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're probably yelling, row 9, row 9. Okay. So row 9, we're going to do 1 light, 2 dark, 4 light, and 2 dark. So 1 light, 2 dark, 4 light, and 2 dark. That's a really pretty color. I'll have to find out what color it is for you guys. Okay, and now for row 10, you guys are going to be repeating row 9. And that was 1 light, 2 dark. Ooh, I grabbed one too many on that one. 4 light. And 2 dark. And then we're almost done with the, almost. We just got 2 more rows to go. And just so you guys know, I actually have the supplies list. I actually have the grids for the letters A, B, and C only on my website, WeDiamondPaint.com. So if you go over there, you'll be able to see the actual grid patterns on how they would be in my Etsy patterns, because I'm selling the pattern in my Etsy store for all the letters. The link will also be down in the description, but you can find it on my website. But these sheets make it so much nicer, because to me, if you're sitting here and you're working on this, you can take a pencil, and each time you do something in row 9, you can put a little X next to it, and if your phone rings or if you get called away for some reason or can't come back until later, you know right where to start in your notebook, and then when you're done completing the letter, you can just erase your pencil marks, so, which I think is kind of nice. Alright, so now we're going to do row 11, and that is 1 light, 2 dark, 3 light, and 3 dark. So I got, how did I get, oh, I forgot that one fell in here, and it nicely went right in the circle, and it's not supposed to be there. Okay, so I got 2 light, or 2 dark, I mean, and then 3 light, and 3 dark. And now on for the final row, which is row 12, it is going to be 7 dark and 2 light. So 7, too many on that one too. I don't know why it's doing that to me, but it is today. So let's get that off of here. My bottom row doesn't want to straighten out here. Sorry guys. So 7. I need 2 light. And then that completes our letter B. Let me just straighten this out for a minute, guys, because some of them are trying to pop on me. I think I got one of those irregular drills and it's kind of pushing this where it shouldn't be. So here's the letter B. So what I'm going to do, guys, before I put the magnets on the back of these, we're actually going to go right into the heart since you have your notebook out. So just give me a second because I need to find what I did with the pattern for the heart. It's in here somewhere. Sorry, I guess I'm not very organized today, but you know, that's always the way. I have so many letters that are upcoming that I have them all in here for you. And there we go. There's the heart bonus. So what you guys are going to do is on another piece of paper or something, if you do want to keep this separate, or you can leave it in your notebook, you can write heart magnet. And you're going to do a frame again. And this time you are going to make a square. And the top and the bottom are 15 dark diamond drills. And then on the sides are 14. This is going to be a little bit wider than the letters, guys, but I think it'll be okay. And, because I did this just by messing around earlier today, so. Okay, and then what you're going to do, just like we do with all the letters, is you're going to go around with the light color drills and make another frame inside the frame. And then make your columns for row 3, row 4, and row 5. For row 3, write down all light drills. So you're going to go use all light drills for row 3. For row 4, you're going to do 2 light, 2 dark, 3 light, 2 dark, 2 light. For row 5, you're going to do 1 light, 4 dark, 1 light, 4 dark, and 1 light. For row 6, you're going to do all dark drills. And for row 7, you're going to do all dark drills. That made it easy. Now for row 8, you're going to do 1 light, 9 darks, and 1 light. For row 9, you're going to do 2 lights, 7 darks, and 2 lights. For row 10, you're going to do 3 lights, 5 darks, and 3 lights. For row 11, you're going to do 4 lights, 3 darks, and 4 lights. For your final row, which is row 12, you are going to do 5 lights, 1 dark, and 5 lights. What I'm going to do, guys, because I didn't feel like making this again since I just did the letter for you, I'm going to post a picture of this on my website, WeDiamondPaint.com, so that you guys can see it and double check your notebook and everything, or you can just rewind and replay this video. So I just thought that this would make a really nice, that when we get to more of the letters where you guys can make I love you magnets, or you could put, you know, B loves A, you know, you could do different things where you can make really nice personalized gifts for newlyweds or for yourself. And even the heart magnet's cute. You could do it all different multi-colors. You know, you could use more than just these 2 colors. You could do 5 colors in the heart if you wanted to. Bad enough. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut these out. So you cut along as close as you can to the edge. Sticking to my scissors. There's the heart. And then I will take the letter B and I will do the same thing where you're going to cut right along as close as you can to the edge. Oh, I forgot to put the plastic back on that. Okay, so that's why it's sticking to my scissors, because that's why you're supposed to put the plastic back on before you start cutting these. So remember that, because it's sticking to my scissors terrible. So there's that. See, I said I always got to make a mistake in these videos or it wouldn't be my videos, I guess, huh? Okay, so then what you do is you take your self-adhesive magnet sheet and you lay this on top and you cut it out around it. I got 2 I gotta do this time, guys, because I did the little heart magnet for you guys. And just as a reminder, I just wanted to make sure that I just say this again, that these alphabet letters are not for little kids to learn the alphabet or anything like that because of the small parts. So this is just for adults to make gifts or for older kids. But I just feel that that's important to say again in case somebody's watching this video that didn't see the first one. So, okay, so what you do is you're going to peel back the self-adhesive